Hi traders, in this video we are breaking down what a margin call is in forex trading, why it happens, and what you can do to avoid it. I'll keep the language simple, walk through an easy example, and link it back to the basic ideas of equity, margin, and margin level. Now let's take a look at what a margin call actually is. In forex, a margin call happens when your account equity falls so much that it no longer meets the broker's minimum margin requirement for your open positions. At that point, your broker warns you or automatically steps in that you either need to add funds or reduce positions. Otherwise, trades will start to close to stop further losses. Most brokers define this using a margin level formula, often triggering a margin call around 100% margin level and then force liquidation if it drops further. Let's consider a simple margin call example. Say you open several leverage positions and together they use $1,000 of margin, while your equity is $1,500. If the market moves against you and your floating losses push equity down to $1,000, your margin level hits 100%. That's where many brokers start issuing a margin call because equity now equals used margin. If losses keep growing and equity drops below that level, the broker can begin automatically closing trades to bring margin usage back in line and protect against a negative balance. Now, what does this imply for your trading? A margin call isn't random. It's a signal that position size, leverage, or risk per trade has been too aggressive relative to your account size and recent market moves. Watching on margin level, using modest leverage, and knowing your worst case drawdown expectations are key to staying comfortably above any margin call thresholds. You can read a full explanation of how margin, equity, and margin level work and how they tie into margin calls using the link in the description below. If this helped make margin calls feel less mysterious and more like a risk signal you can manage, make sure you like the video, drop a comment with your questions or experiences, and subscribe to the Forex Geek with notifications on. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.